Hey everyone, welcome to our vlog. We kicked off the day with a trip to Mactaquac Beach. Beach day, Mactaquac, and then we're going to Claremont. But first, let's go to Mactaquac. When we got there, it was pretty empty. Super windy. Thumbs up, buddy. Run! Take a look. You want to take your hat off? But that didn't stop the kids. They had a fun time at the beach. They absolutely loved playing in the water. They all went in, and I was the only one from our family of adults who jumped in with them. But I enjoyed it and I loved it.
Go in!
So, buddy. We spent a few hours just splashing around, soaking it all in. Anna stayed in the water for most of the time. Anna practiced swimming. She's getting so great. And Drew just randomly went anywhere he could. And it's so awkward. She loves doing that peace sign and jumping. Wade is hilarious. He's our middle child, so that's a middle child thing. He's so goofy. And he's so funny. But he has a wicked side to him. Ask Samantha.
Stop!
Shay's an emotional kid. Anna's loving life in the water. Samantha stayed back with Nora most of the time, but when Nora did come into the water with me, that was a special moment. I really enjoyed that time. It's my aunt. She's a little awkward.
Hi, Nora. Very pasty white compared to you.
Anna loves playing in the sand and making sand castles. She's so awkward. Her hair's so blonde. Time to go to a second beach. Somewhere closer to home. Smaller beach. There's a birthday party happening. Beach round 2. This time, Claremont Lake. See? Told ya. Anna loves doing that so much. It's my feet. That's adorable. I feel like I enjoy this beach way more, even though it's smaller, because there was hardly any wind compared to the beach we were at before. That's hilarious. Drew's so cute. Look at that smile. Samantha is up there somewhere for a birthday party, so let's go see everybody over there. How's it going?
Just having snacks, chilling in the shade, smoking my can over here. But it's good. I'm
Nora?
pretty beached out though. Let's go home.
All beached out?
All beached out. Uh-oh.
Alright, so now we're getting ready to go camping. We were thankful to borrow a truck from a dealership, and we made a little fun video where we're going to try to do more collaborations with brands, and this was a great experience of filming with this truck. Wade's putting on his best acting face right now. This took way longer than it should have, because I have to set up the camera to make sure that we are in the scene and the angle looks good and we're focused. We had to do this take about 5 times. We made it to Mattiquac, and now we're going to unload our small tent trailer. Anna's so good with Nora. She's an awesome big sister. Wade loved that truck so much. We made it to Mattiquac, and now we need to set up the tent trailer. It was also very hot that day, which I feel like our hot days are behind us, unfortunately. I do not want summer to end. During this time of filming this vlog, it was very, very hot, especially inside this tent trailer where there was no air conditioning. I love how happy Nora is all the time. She's wonderful. This was so fun playing football with Shay. He's getting so good with throwing the football, catching the football. Maybe not as good, but he'll get there. Thanks for watching our vlog today for our camping vlog. We will have more camping vlogs to come. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.